Well folks, this is a different repair today, this morning, whenever you're reading it or watching this. My old faithful JVC GZ-MG630RU. The LCD display decided to stop working yesterday. It was working, done a couple of recordings, closed it up, and it never worked after. All I get is this. No display. You can see something there, but the backlight appears not to be working. Now, if I take the door and close it so much, you'll see it works. So I'm hoping when I look, it's just a ribbon cable loose. I'm hoping. Anyways, if you're interested in tagging along on this little repair, we'll see if we can't fix this JVC GZ-MG630RU. Okay, so the ribbon cable is right there. And just moving this display a little bit, as you can see, it's keeping it from powering up. So we have to get further into this camera and see what's going on with this ribbon cable. Something's going on with it, whatever it is. Okay, now we're right to the nitty-gritty of camera. Like, I never figured I'd ever have to get this far into it, but yeah, I had to separate this part, from this part, from this part, from that part, this part, and this part. And even this part. But, yeah, we've got a ribbon cable right here. It appears to have been unplugged from the main plug here. So, plug it back in. Well, I managed to put her back together. That was fun, let me tell you. I did manage to sort of fix it. It still got issues. I'm not sure how long it's going to work, but the problem with it is the ribbon cable that connects the main board to the actual housing, or the front panel here, display board, whatever you want to call it. That's where the issue lies. It's a bad cable. And yeah, in order to permanently fix this, the cable inside here needs to be replaced. But other than that, the camera is working. How reliable that little repair is beyond me. I guess we'll find out. Anyways, that's the video. I guess the semi-repair of a JVC GZ-MG630RU. I'm just going to have to see if I can locate a ribbon cable somewhere.